Magandang hapon, Jumerica. Dahil ang weather namin ngayon dahil sobrang lamig, negative yung lamig ngayon mga inday. And then ngayon pupunta tayo sa hospital dito sa Amerika mga inday para sa appointment ng anak ko mga inday, sa MRI appointment niya mga inday. So nandyan si Bibi Kano, nak, video si manghod nak. Nandyan si Bibi Kano mga inday, ready na kami. Yeah, hi to ate be. Hi mga ate at kuya, you say hi to them. Hi. Nandito na si Bibi Kano, ay sobrang lapit na, umuing mataan eh. Yung kuya niya mag-video dahil sobrang lapit mga inday. Nag-message na yung or nag-email na yung mga inday, yung hospital kung nag-arrive na ba daw kami. Ito yung asawa ko, ang tagal kumilos day. Diyan na siya kumilos, yung na ba, yung malapit na. Di ba tayo mga Pilipino, advance talaga tayo mga inday. So ngayon hinihintay ko or hinihintay namin ang asawa ko day. Kasi dahil wala naman mag-drive. Sino mag-drive? Ay, naku, yung asawa ko. Wala, ano pa. Nag-walking around pa. Iwan ko kung anong ginagawa niya mga inday. Yung asawa ko day. Buti kung ako, marunong ako mag-drive. Ako na mag-drive day. Kailangan ko pang mag-aral na mag-drive dito. Marunong, makapaandar ako ng sasakyan. Pero maraming, what we call that, kailangan ko pang matuto mga inday. Siya, update ko kayo mamaya day. Mga inday, nandito na yung asawa ko day. Tingnan ako ganina day. Nikatuloy yung itlog vlog.
What do you say? You say that you...
I don't want to say. People will understand. I don't want to translate in English. They will bash me. Joke lang yan mga inday ha. Tingnan nyo nga yung weather namin day oh. Pakita ko sa inyo day. May araw day. Pero day, tingnan yung kalsada. Uy. Super slippery road. You gotta be careful up. Slippery road. Ay naku. Yung snow day ba? Ay, walang katapusang snow dito sa amin day. Nandito tayo sa Michigan day. Mga inday, ang weather namin ngayon, lalo siyang lumalamig mga inday kasi nga sobrang hangin day. Sobrang mahangin yung weather namin and then snow pa. So yun. Kaya sobrang lamig day kasi nang dahil sa hangin mga inday. Oh, tingnan nyo nga oh. Nandito na kami sa hospital mga inday. Papunta na kami. Late na kami mga inday. 3 o'clock, 3:30. Pero kailangan. My love, it's here. Why you are there? It's here. So nandito na tayo mga inday. Oh. Yan yung hospital dahil. Sobrang laki ng hospital. And then dito, hanggang dyan pa day. So, pupunta tayo dyan day sa main entrance day. Hey, wala na day. Kalisod ang agi day. Pasensya na kayo sa camera natin. Here or there? Nandyan si Bibi Kano. Yung anak ko nandyan. Sobrang lamig. Oh, guys, be careful love. Be careful prince. Nandito na tayo. Papasok na tayo mga inday. I-update ko na lang kayo mamaya mga inday. Mga inday, nandito na kami sa loob ng hospital. Diyan yung anak ko. Walang upuan mga inday. So naghihintay kami na tawagin yung pangalan ng anak ko mga inday. Ang daming tao. Mga inday, nandito kami sa ibang room mga inday. Nung dumaan kami doon day, may nagtanong kay Bibi Kano, babae ba daw siya o lalaki? And then palagi silang may dalawang tao na palaging tumitingin kay Bibi Kano ba. Iwan ko kung bakit ba. My love, you look. Yung asawa ko nandyan, yung asawa ko. And and then dito walang
What you want from me?
yung asawa, yung anak ko, nandyan yung anak ko. The bottle water, you get the milk bottle. You are done, you give papa. Okay, you know ko. Agoy.
No.
Walang tao day, kami lang talaga dito day. And then may dyan, vending machine dyan day. May snacks and drinks. Kung gusto ang bata batuta, nandyan na sa papa niya uli. Hoy, kanina day, sa Bisaya pag ihangak-hangak jud ko day. Ihangak-hangak ko. Binaklay, kay nagdali-dali mi kay ang oras ba mali.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right, Asher. That's right. Bata bata ka. Ito yung room nila day. Kayuwok na. Nagpababa si Bibi Kano day. Slowly. Yeah, that's right.
Hi. Are you testing? You walk so awkward in those. I don't think those pants have seen their day.
It's small na.
It's not good for them. No.
Yeah, it's small na for Asher. That is for 18 months. I think 18 months or 2 years. I don't know. I'm not really. What are you doing? Hoy, what is that? What are you looking, Asher? Bata nga liho ko. You're so cute, Asher. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Slowly. Yeah. What's that? That's a water, Asher. You want to give Kuya? Kuya, you want water, Kuya? Binigay sa kuya niya dahil. Ay, ginang bata.
If you asked, you can get a potato head.
Asawa ko dahil. Dahil. Bumalik kami dito dahil. Pumunta kami doon kanina sa loob ng MRI office. And then pinabalik kami dito. So ngayon mga inday, maghihintay kami ng 15 minutes dito mga inday.
I think he's looking for a new home love.
15 minutes mga inday. And then yung asawa ko lang dito. And then si Bibi Kano, nandiyan si Bibi Kano, naglalaro mga inday. And then wala, di ba dyan nakaupo yung anak ko kanina. So kami lang dito mga inday. Labas na kami ng hospital mga inday. Tapos na yung anak ko day. Nandiyan yung anak. Yan yung anak ko day. Palabas na kami ng hospital. Ito yung nasa sa loob ng day, hospital day. This is the right. mga inday. Hala, nasaan ni ganina day. Ngayon day, palabas na kami ng
Green elevators.
palabas. Pink, it's not green, pink elevators, this is the
No,
right.
36 is back to the lobby though.
Yeah, that's right. Sobrang lamig mga inday. Laban. Sobrang lamig. Kasi nga mahangin siya dai. So, malamig na siya. And then samahan pa ng hangin. Sobrang lamig na talaga. Yung mukha mo hindi mo na ma-feel. Oh, slowly, slippery nak. Dandahan nak. Slippery. Sobra. Ano yung dala ko day, ang daming dala ko day. Si Bibi Kano nandun sa papa niya. So nandito na tayo day sa sasakyan namin day. Mga inday, nandito kami na sa sasakyan. Intersection ng mga inday. Intersection. And ito yung ating rules for today's video. Sobrang lamig. Si Bibi Kano, nandiyan si Bibi Kano day, oh.
Has he got his thumb in his
someone
mouth?
tamsak.
Somebody's thumb sucking.
Nagtamsak, friends.
Boy,
Yung manghod.
you get that thumb out of
Boy,
there.
Asher, you stop ha. Don't tamsak ha. Nagtamsak si Bibi Kano day.
He always makes the same sound. It's
Yeah, that's-
like he's chewing on a steak.
Yeah, that's right. Kasi malalaman namin dahil na nagtamsak siya dahil kasi gumagawa siya ng sound. Gamaganyan si Bibi Kano dahil. So, kaya malalaman talaga namin na nagtatamsak si Bibi Kano. Asher ha, bantay ka lang Asher. You stop that. Hindi, nag-stop over kami dito dahil kasi baka I think mag-order yung asawa ko ng burger. Ay, ginawa ko dahil. You're handsome. You're making pa cute ha? Why you're making pa cute your face?
What?
You're making cute your face. I love you.
Why do you beat me? Why do Filipinos beat their men?
Dahil kayo na magsagot.
every time she says she loves me, I get hit. What is going on with that?
Kayo na magsagot mga inday ha. See you in our comment section below mga inday. Yan yung tanong ni Apam mga inday. Tingnan nyo mga inday. Oh, yung bahay day ba? Nakahilira day. Nakahilira lang papunta doon sa hanggang dulo day. And then dito din sa harapan namin. Oh, yung mga bahay nakahilira. Alam mo ba yung asawa ko day? Kailangan namin magpagasolina. Nandiyan yung asawa ko sa likudan. Nandiyan na. Ay, nako. Wala tayong magagawa dahil nandito tayo sa bansa na sobrang lamig. Iba-iba yung ano namin dito dahil weather dahil. Minsan hindi siya sobrang lamig, okay lang, kaya lang. Then ganito may araw na sobrang lamig. So hindi mo maintindihan yung lamig dito sa amin dahil. Oh, saan yung asawa ko? Saan pupunta? Yung asawa ko, sobrang lamig, naka-t-shirt lang. Naka-t-shirt lang. Bahala siya. Ay, ginoo ko. Laban, jumiri ka na lang yung daan eh. Ang asawa ko dahil nakabalik na dahil. Galing siya sa loob kanina, di ba? Sabi niya, oh my God, it's super cold. Oh, ano pa yan dahil ha? Dito ba yan ng ano dahil? Tumira dahil? Dito ba yan nag ano? Lumaki. Paano na lang kami na wala tayong ano dyan? Snow or super cold, di ba? Natatawa ako sa asawa ko dahil kasalanan mo yan. Bakit hindi ka jacket or makapal na jacket coat? Asawa ko dahil sabi niya, I just died.
Yeah.
Ako, why? It's because of super cold. Sorry, handsome. See, you need to think that one, love. How about us? We don't have a weather like this here. And you are here, you growing up here, you know.
Great, that's why you guys have coats on.
And then you
Although
don't.
my non-coat decision hasn't seemed to have served me too well.
That's your fault. Hala, they have here, Walmart. Only
We're over
Walmart
by
they
Mama's.
have. Is this Mama's house?
We're over
There's
by
a Sam's
Mama's.
also. Tingnan nyo, Day. Malapit na kami sa ugaman ako, Day. Mama's Cubana, na diya ang Sam's. Nag-apply ko diya, Day, sa Sam's o sa Walmart, Day. Hindi pa ako, Day, hindi pa ako kinuntak. Wala pa akong email na receive. But, my interview ako, Day, coming ngayong Wednesday na mga Inday, ngayong week na itong mga Inday. So hopefully and I pray they will hire me. But tingnan lang natin, Day. This is my first time interview in my whole life. Kasi dyan sa Pilipinas, Day, nag-apply ako, Day, hindi naman ako in-interview. Nag-ano lang ako, Day, nagpasa lang ako ng biodata, tapos tinawagan ako, yun na, nag-start ako ng trabaho. They have a big, huge flag, American flag.
3 of them.
Or, oy,
Oh.
the one thing. It's 4 flags. Oh my God, look there, love. It's foggy there.
It's the snow blowing up.
Yeah.
We're gonna be driving into the snow. I don't know if that's just snow whipping around or whether it's snow falling.
It looks like, oh my God, wow.
Yeah, that one's whipping that stuff.
Wow. Look, the sunset, Day. Oh, sunset. Beautiful.
Well, now it looks like a mix of snow falling. See,
Yeah.
that's what I figured was
There's a
happening.
snow. Oh my
Yeah.
God,
So
love.
you were just seeing the snowstorm. It's here. Boy.
Patay. May mga Inday, may snowstorm dito, Day. May snowstorm na. My God, wow. It's hard to drive.
I don't know. Well, and a Coke to drink. Can I get that without mayonnaise and with green olives? Okay.
Nandito kami sa Halo Burger, Day. Yay, Halo
that's right
Burger. Yummy, yummy. Gutom din yung asawa ko, Day. Gutom kaming lahat. We are hungry.
Yeah, that's right.
We are trying to budget mga Inday, pero hindi man kaya, Day, oy. We cannot make it. We cannot make it. Because it's hungry tummy. It's hungry tummy. You said.
No mayonnaise on that, and then add green olives and cheese if it doesn't come with cheese on it. You guys got like a spicy sauce? Okay, I'll take the green boom sauce. The boom boom. Do you want a spicy sauce or ranch? Ranch dressing for the 12 piece. No, just
Hello mga Inday. Yeah. That's right. Nandito na kami sa bahay mga Inday. Pinili namin doon is burger at saka onion ring. Iin na po namin ang ating videos for today. Please, please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos mga Inday. Thank you for watching. Have a good day everyone. Bye!